In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon affiliate account. So right now I'm looking at the Amazon website here, and to find the link to be able to register it as an affiliate, you could just go scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and where it says make money with us, you just click on Amazon Associates. Okay, and if you like, you click on any of these links to learn more about the benefits and the futures of being an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to click on the join now for free button. Alright, now it already has some of my information on here because I already have a customer account with Amazon. So now it's asking me who is the main contact for this account. I would just say the payee listed above, so I'll just select that. So now I just click on next. Okay, now it's asking me for the name of my website, the URL of the websites, and other information about my website. Okay, so I'm just going to fill out this information. In the meantime, I'm just going to pause this video and come back when I'm finished filling out all this information on this page. Okay, so now I've completed filling out the information on this page. So now I'm just going to click on next. Okay, so now I've landed on this page, which is asking me to verify my ID. So I'm gonna have to enter my phone number here and then click on the call me now button. And so I'll receive a call, and what'll happen is I will get a PIN number um, in that phone call, and then I'm going to be asked to enter that PIN sometime during this process. And also below here, you make sure you check this to tell them that you agree to the terms and conditions of the affiliate agreement. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enter my phone number here and click on the call me now button. So for now, I'm just going to pause, and I'll get back to this video when after I've received the phone call. Okay, so now I'm back. My ID has been verified. Now just correct what I said earlier. I said that I was going to have to enter a PIN number sometime during this process. Well, what happens is when you enter your phone number on the screen, the PIN number shows up, and when you get the phone call, there's an automated message that asks you to enter the PIN number on the phone. Okay, so now let's just click on the finish button here. And there you go. I have just signed up for the Amazon affiliate account. I am now an Amazon affiliate, and I could go out and start making money with the Amazon affiliate program. In this video, I'm going to show you how to specify your preferred payment method. So right now I'm just looking at the page after signing up for an Amazon affiliate account. And so what I could do is I could just click on this button here where it says specify the payment method now. Okay, and I get brought to this page where it asks for my tax information. And for now, I'm just going to skip this and just go down to the bottom. And so you have three options here on how to get paid. You can get paid through an Amazon gift certificates, or you can get paid through direct deposits to your bank account, or you can get paid by check. So for now, let's just select pay by check. And there you go, simple as that. I've set up my preferred payment method. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate links. Alright, so you could just go to the top here We're signed into my account. So just go to where it says links and banners. You can get product links, banner links. You can also get links to any page on Amazon. For example, if you want to get a link to a popular page or to a certain page, let's just click on this just to get examples. For example, I could choose electronics and then general bestsellers, and then you could just name your link here. You could link to search results. You could link to any other page on Amazon. Okay, and you could also get links for banners. But for now, let's just get a link for a product. So let's just click on the product links. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick search. Electronics, and let's just, for this example, let's select an iPad. Okay, so we're just going to choose the first one here. This is an Apple iPad mini. Let's see. So on the right hand side here, there's a get link button. Okay, and then you have a few options here. You could get the links for a text and image. So if you want to display this on your site, this is the link. Or should I say this is the HTML code for the link. If you want text only, you get the link here, or if you want an image or add to a widget. Yeah, and that's basically it. So if you want to get a text link, you would just highlight this and paste it onto your website.